Want to learn how to speed up your videos in Canva? You're in the right place. I'm Christina, and this is the Social Media Strategy Lab. If you make social media content for yourself or for your small business, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for all our tips and tricks. Now we'll get right into it. So if you want to speed up a video in Canva, the first thing you do is create the video. So click create and select the type of video you want. Then within that project, you're going to add the video to the project. And to speed up 2 times is very easy. So all you're going to do is select this edit button. Let me move myself out of the way. And then you're going to scroll to the bottom in the left-hand column, in the edit column, and you'll see the video speed option. And you're going to move that all the way up to 2. And that'll make your video play back at 2 times speed. Just mute that for easy, but you can see it's at 2 times speed, but you can't do it any faster. So if you want 4 or 8 times speed, what you're actually going to have to do is then download this video at 2 times speed. And I've already done that, but you would just download and save that video. And then you go into your uploads and you're going to re-upload the video at 2 times speed, which I've already done here. You see it's at 10.9 seconds, which matches. So then delete the original video, insert the video at 2 times speed, select edit, scroll to the bottom, and select 2 again. And now we have a video that's at 4 times speed. And if you need it to be at 8 or 16, you can keep repeating this process. It's a little bit time consuming, but it's pretty easy to do. Thanks for watching.